Number one, he has governed by fear, setting us apart, dividing us. You know, we had a president who said all we have to fear is fear itself, and we now have a president who wants us to be afraid. And he has injected a strain of fatalism into the American bloodstream. You know, somebody like me stands up and said, we're going to get an energy policy that'll deal with our security problems, global warming, create millions of new jobs. They say we can't do that, we'll wreck the economy. We say on the Democratic side, we're going to have health care for all. We can't do that, we'll wreck our health care system. Since when did America become the can't-do country? That is not how I was raised. I don't think it's the way any of us were brought up. We're the people who are supposed to break the barriers, chart the new course in life, navigate through dangerous terrain to a better tomorrow. So we're going to not only reject the policies of the Bush Republicans, we're going to stand against this use of fear and fatalism that has undermined America, that is wrong.